Hello everyone, JoRaSe here. We've got 3 items to unbox this time around. First one is a PVC tube. And it is a rather long one at that. So we'll see what's inside here. Let's get on to it. Alright, so there we have it. This is a Longbow, and it needs to be strung, doesn't it? It's not that hard a thing to do. Just gotta do it. So, one leg through. There we go. Resting on the other foot. Slightly. Don't want it resting too much, just enough. And now, bends the shaft of the bow in. Slowly bringing the string up. Almost got it. There we go. That is done. I can now step back out of the bow, and there we go. Fully strung bow. Well, that's one item. Let's get on to the next. And the next is going to be this one right here. I can already go ahead and tell you everything's going to be along an archery theme in some form or another. Let's get on to this one then. So we have a bow and a quiver. Should probably get some arrows to go in this quiver, shouldn't I? Fortunate thing for me that I've got a few. There we go. Bow, quiver, and arrows. Wonder what's in this last one. Only one way to find out, and that's to open it up. And actually there are two that I've tied together because they go together. I can go ahead and get the two separated here. Make it easier when I get to the unboxing table. Alright, there we go. There we go. Let's get these opened up and see what we've got. And there we go. Two pieces of cloth. You might be wondering what I'm going to be doing with these. Well, I do like the classical archer's hat. It's not really classical, but it is what the hat is generally known for today. So think Robin Hood, or another good example would be Peter Pan. I know it's entirely different. He's not an archer, but it's the same kind of hat. That's what this is going to become. It'll take me a little while to make it, but When I do, you'll know about it. Hope you all enjoyed watching the unboxing. I will see you all next time. And now we come to the part of the unboxing video where I show you where I got the items unboxed. So we have the bow here. I got that off of eBay. It's just the traditional English longbow, 20 to 40 pounds. Got it from this seller. Very happy with the shipping speed and everything. The price was around what you're seeing here. Very reasonable for what it is. So moving on from the bow, we have the quiver. And yes, I'm doing this in December, so it's got this little notice at the top. Don't worry about that though. But yes, $29.99 is what I paid. There's the seller, Hunting Lodge 2015. Good delivery speed, no complaints. Then we get to the cloth. So the first one, $10 for a yard of hunter green canvas fabric from the Fabric Empire. And the last one, the lime green canvas fabric. That's about what I paid for it, I think. And Real Stars LLC is the seller. No complaints. Happy with what I got, and I think that's about it. Hey there everyone, just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.